Hey guys, Kirby Smith, Lightspeed Construction, coming to you today from building number 5. Same thing with rusting primer paint on 4 vent stacks. We've got ridge vent needs to be replaced on this roof. Looking at this one from the ground, it looked like maybe the worst roof here. But as I get on it, it's not that bad. There's no flashing on this building, so I don't need to check that out. Again, the shingles are racked. I don't see any cracks except for one I saw a few minutes ago. Got a hole right there, one of the ridge caps. Again, the eave of the building, well, the gable end of the building here has got some kind of like shingle kick up. I guess maybe that might be just movement. The outside wall might have stayed steady and not moved, and some of the internals of the building might have slightly shifted possibly. That can cause, kind of that we're seeing that in numerous buildings, kind of always towards the eave. It's going to need to be a new ridge vent, of course. RIPP, rust navy primer paint on the that vent once again. And I think that's kind of it right here. I'm not really seeing much else. The gutter situation is not good on this building, so this would be a good one to replace gutters on. The gutters are definitely falling off of this roof, and I am noticing here that this eave, kind of where that gutter's falling off, hopefully I don't fall off this roof. Looks like it's not great. You can see these gutters are falling off kind of the drip edge, so there would most likely be some rotten roof boards. I think I see one down here on the eaves, just from maybe where the gutters might have backed up or something. You see this? Looks like it might have possibly leaked and rotted. No, it actually just kind of had that illusion about it. But these gutters are certainly the worst. They're falling off. Oop, got another crack in the rack. There you go. One more. So I got a couple on this building. One of the ways we can fix those cracks, if you want to call it fix, is to slide a piece of flashing underneath them. Caulking is probably not going to be good enough because they'll continue to move. So a piece of flashing underneath it for kind of a maybe 1 or 2 year repair type thing. It might last a little bit longer than that. But anyway, this roof doesn't really look bad. The eave of the roof, the gutters, they do on this, I guess it's going to be south facing side right here. So just something to be aware of. This roof's pretty good. It's smaller and we should be okay. This section right here on building 5 is dipped in, kind of funky looking, maybe from the building movement like I was just mentioning. But really I think we're going to be okay on this one. Ridge vent, rusting reprimer, and then maybe needing to do a repair on this gutter for sure. Not repair, but it'll need to be replaced. All right guys, Kirby Smith, Lightspeed Construction, building 5.